What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install the mud guards for the Supra. Let's do it. Alright guys, new day, new video. So today we're gonna install the rock guards or mud guards. I don't know how they call it. But they're gonna go in here because I have the spacers on my wheels already, so the wheels will throw rock chips to my body of the car. So I'm gonna install the rock guards to prevent any damage on the paint. So same thing in here. You can see the bottom of the wheel will throw stones to this part of the car. So we want to keep the car clean, no damage. So for that we're gonna install the rock guards today. Let's open the box first. Alright guys, so these are the rock guards that I got. So these are for the Supra 2020 to on up, Toyota Supra, and comes with the rivets for the front ones, the rear ones with the screws and some spacers. So let's install them. Let's see how hard it is to install these things. Let's do it. Okay, first thing to do, we have to remove the old ones, the old rivets. You can see them there. It has a pin on the center. You have to push them. Okay, so for that we have to move the wheel that way. Okay, so let's do that first. Let's remove the old rivets.
Maybe you should stop and consider why I stopped coming around. You talk so much. Is this real love? We fight over one boxing love. You talk so much. Is this real love? We fight over one boxing love. One boxing love.
I like it. It's not that big and it looks nice. You can see it from here. It's very small, so just what I need. You can see it there. Yeah, amazing. I love it. Let's do the other side. Alright, front side is done. You can see the rivet, 4 rivets in each side. It looks great. You can see it right there. I like it. So now let's do the rear ones. All right, for the rear ones we have to remove the wheel because there's not enough space to do it, so let's remove the wheel. Okay, this one is done. You can see the screw right there, so you can see it. Yeah. Yeah, you can see it right there. 3 screws, super easy with the spacer, and I like them because they're not that big and it's hard to see them too, but they will protect the body of my car. Cool. So now let's see how it looks, everything together with the wheels and everything. Let's see it. Okay guys, those are the rock guards. I like them, amazing. They're not too big, the right size that I like. Okay, the link is gonna be on the description of the video. If you wanna get this, they have more options, so check them out. Let me know what you guys think. If you like the video, please like the video. If you have a question, put in the comments. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.